Welcome, Ron Stanners, Maxwell South Star Realty. Welcome to our monthly stats review, what's happening in the marketplace in Calgary and surrounding area. In the area around Calgary, sales during the month of February were down about 27% from February last year. However, inventories were up. New listings were up almost 13%, and inventory was up about 30% from the same period a year ago. New listings were up, by the way, 17.7% from February of last year, new listings. So quite a movement there. There's more and more inventory coming on the market, but it is slowing down compared to the rate in January. When we look at the city of Calgary, detached single-family homes in Calgary, sales were down 31.5% from February of last year, and year-to-date they're down 34%. So that spread is slowing down a little bit. Hopefully we'll continue to improve there. New listings were up 7.5% in February this year over last year, and year-to-date new listings are up 18.8%. Inventory is up 100% from this time last year. Remember, however, last year at this time, we had a distinct shortage of single-family homes. So although the inventory's doubled, it's still not huge. There's a good selection, but it could grow some more before we would start having it becoming purely a buyer's market. Attached properties, condo and attached residences, sales were down 36% from February last year, and year-to-date they're down 40%, so some slowing we're seeing there. New listings were up 18% over February last year, and inventory is up 128%. Now that inventory was still fairly good last year, so there are lots of attached properties for sale. By all means, if you're in the market to buy and you're looking for something in a townhouse or attached property, now's the opportunity to take advantage of it. When we look at the benchmark price for the month of February on attached properties, it's up 6.07% from February last year, and year-to-date it's up 6.79%. So some growth there still, even though sales are slowing a little bit. Apartment condos, on the other hand, sales are down 39.7% from February last year, and year-to-date they're down 40%. New listings are up only 2.76%, so not a great deal of growth there from a year ago, but the inventory is up 100% from the same period last year. So obviously inventory is a lot greater, and new listings were increased year-to-date by 25% in the apartment condos. So in the marketplace, inventory continues to rise. Sales are still slow. Last year was a banner year, but we are not even at the averages yet. There's still some growth opportunities there. For buyers in the marketplace, it's an ideal time to get out there, find yourself a property. Odds are you won't be competing. I've said this before, and you'll be able to negotiate and hopefully find a property that suits you at a price that you're willing to pay. Thank you for coming to our stats package, and have a great move.